All right, we're going to start by removing this left needle here. Once you get it out, just move it to the side so it's somewhere where it won't roll away. And then you see this thing here, this is your stitch finger lever. Check your manual if you aren't sure where that is, but you want to disengage the stitch finger for this. Then go ahead and just thread your machine like you normally would. Obviously, we will not be having that left needle that you will need to thread, but the rest of it, just go ahead and do it in the order that you're used to and adjust your tension based on the fabric type that you're working with. And so all that should remain the same. The only difference is, of course, having that left needle out of the way. And once you have everything set up with your tension, go ahead and shorten your stitch length. I have it at about a 2 here, but you can go even shorter if you would like. And then go ahead and just serge the hem. That's really all there is to it. Once you've done that, it should look something like this, depending on how short you did your stitch length. And it really is the easiest method to hem anything. It just goes so quickly, and you can use a contrasting color, a matching color, but either way, it gives it a nice little texture, and I just love how this looks nice and finished.